If someone says, well, Gullah's not a legit language, this is just broken English. Is English broken Romance Latin? Because all language comes from somewhere. So that when my mother says, "Ya children come in ya finyan," your children come in to eat. If all the kids on the yard come in the house to eat, did she just use a language? Was that language? Do we have a language to communicate thought? Is that language something that is structured that we can duplicate the result again and again and again? And so the idea of legitimacy, the idea of what's actually a language, we're talking about a whole lot of political things happening underneath the surface that's guiding how we perceive the legitimacy of language. Now, Gullah, on the other hand,